David and his family have arrived at a beautiful hotel.
Wow, this hotel looks beautiful.
Yes, it does. I really like it.
Mom, look! There is a swimming pool!
Oh, yes! We can swim later.
Can we go swimming now?
Not yet, Peter. First, we need to check in.
Oh, okay.
What does check-in mean?
It means we tell the hotel that we have arrived.
Oh, I understand.
Come on, everyone. Let's go to the reception.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Hotel.
Good afternoon.
How can I help you?
We have a reservation.
Of course. May I have your name, please?
Yes. Name is David Miller.
Thank you, Mr. Miller.
You're welcome.
Let me check. Yes, I found your reservation.
Great.
You booked a family room for 3 nights.
That's right.
Yes, that's correct. May I see your passports, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Here is mine. Thank you.
Here are the children's passports.
Thank you very much.
Dad, do we have a big room?
I hope so.
I want my own bed. Peter, you always want your own bed. Because I am 14.
That's true.
Don't worry. Your room has 2 large beds and 1 sofa bed.
Really?
Yes.
That's great!
Which bed is mine?
We'll decide upstairs.
But I want the big one. Peter!
Excuse me, can I ask a question?
Of course.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included. What time is breakfast? Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning.
Great.
Where is the restaurant? It is on the 1st floor.
Can we have pancakes?
Yes, we have pancakes.
Yay!
Do you have eggs?
Yes, we do.
Perfect.
Peter is happy now.
He is always happy when there is food.
That's not true.
Here are your room keys.
Thank you.
Your room is on the 5th floor. Is there an elevator? Yes, the elevator is just over there.
Thank you.
Mom, can I press the elevator button?
Of course. Which floor?
The 5th floor.
Okay.
I'm excited!
Me too.
Everyone is excited.
I just want to see the room.
Dad, this hotel is so big!
Yes, it is. I hope our room has a good view.
I hope so too.
I want to see the city!
Maybe we can see it from the window.
What if we have a bad view? Then we can ask for another room. Can we do that?
We can always ask politely. We can say, "Excuse me, is it possible to change rooms?"
Excuse me, is it possible to change rooms?
Perfect!
5th floor!
Here we are.
Wow.
Wow!
This is amazing.
The room is beautiful.
And look at the view.
The city is so beautiful.
And look at the TV.
Peter,
What?
we came here to relax.
I am relaxing with the TV.
Good answer.
David, can you check the bathroom?
Sure. Everything looks fine.
Good. Dad,
Yes?
there is a problem.
What happened?
My bed is next to the window.
And?
I don't like sleeping near the window
Why?
because it is scary at night.
Are you scared?
No!
You look scared.
I'm not scared.
It's okay, Peter.
We can change the beds. Really?
Yes.
Thank you.
Sometimes, things are not perfect. Maybe your room is too cold. Maybe the room is too hot. Maybe you need another towel. Maybe something is broken. You need to ask politely. These sentences are useful in real life. Hello, this is room 502.
Hello, how can I help you?
We need 2 more towels, please.
Of course, we will send them to your room.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And one more thing.
Yes?
Could you tell us where the swimming pool is?
The swimming pool is on the 2nd floor.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Swimming pool! Let's go!
Wait!
We need to get changed first.
Okay. Mom, do I look okay?
Yes, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Dad, where are my swimming goggles?
They are in your bag.
Oh!
Check your bag.
Here they are! Good.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Let's go!
Have fun, everyone.
You too, Mom. Dad,
Yes?
thank you for bringing us here.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
I love this place.
Me too. Me too.
I'm happy that you are happy.
This is a beautiful family trip.
Yes. Sometimes, the best part of a trip is not the hotel. It is the time we spend together.
I'm so tired.
Me too.
Did you enjoy the swimming pool?
Yes!
It was great.
Are you hungry?
Yes! Of course you are. I'm always hungry after swimming.
Let's order some food.
Can I have pizza?
Yes.
Can I have a burger?
Sure.
And I'll have a salad.
I'll have soup.
This is the best day!
After a long day, the family enjoys a warm and delicious evening together. We hope you enjoyed your stay at the Grand Hotel.
Goodbye, and do not forget to practice your English.
See you in the next lesson.